Hello YouTube. Okay, I made a video about swing trading. I made a video about options trading. And I get a lot of people asking me to make a video about, and this is the hardest one of all because a lot of people still don't understand it and they got PhDs. Fundamental analysis. Basically the fundamental part of buying stocks. Okay, first of all, if you're a beginning trader, you do not want to mess with this because I've been doing it for 25 years, and that's not how I decide on what's a good buy and what's a bad buy when it comes to the stock market. But just some basic points about fundamental analysis and how fundamental analysis can help you a little bit. I'm not going to say I don't use it, but it can help you if you use it in the right way. And a lot of professional traders use it in the right way. The elephant in the room is professional traders. Now, at the end of this video, I'm going to have a blockbuster pick for you for the next on the February 17th and 18th. This stock is going to go up. I'm announcing right at the end of this video, but this video is not going to take that long. Okay. The basics of fundamental analysis. Okay. Economic data, central bank decisions, and geographical events. Now, the first one is economic data. Okay, that's based on employment and GDP, etc. Things like that. Okay, central bank decisions is based on like rate hikes and cuts, education cuts and things like that. Okay, geographical events is based off of that. It's common sense, wars and stuff like that. We have a war or pandemic. Remember in 2020 we had the big pandemic. It affected the economy. Things like that. Those are the main three basic things I want to talk about, but it's so much more involved in fundamental analysis, but I just want to key on those right there. Okay? The next thing I want to talk about is professional traders. It's getting hot. Professional traders, they look for stuff like major economy event releases, so they can get the edge on everybody. They have the advantage. Okay, when you're trading currency, everything revolves around the central bank. Okay, and in your country, I want to key that every country has a main bank, a currency bank that's their main bank they go through. Okay, even United States we have one too. Okay, the main tool the bank uses is interest rate adjustments. Okay, now this is important. Okay, now to improve the interest rate, people need to start saving instead of spending their money. That would lower the interest rate. Follow me here. That would lower the interest rate. Therefore, people save. That affects the economy. The economy, it makes the economy go a lot slower. Okay, and it's hard for people to make money to buy and sell things because people need the economy to make money. Okay, to improve the interest rate, I said to start saving. Okay, this makes the interest bank, and this is the key part right here, which I had to read up on because it's really deep here. The interest rate would flood the market if the interest rate go too low. They will flood the market with money. The interest rate, the banks will flood it with money. The professional analysts will see this movement. They look for things like that, and that's how it can affect the stock. They know when the central banks, I guess, they jump on it first when the central banks flood the market with money to raise the interest rate back up to fix the economy. So professional traders look for things like that to the central banks move to know exactly when to buy a stock, what to buy, what stock to buy, and things like that. So it can affect the stock market. That's some of the basic reasoning behind the the fundamental analysis. That's how it works. I hope I explained it. That's the best I could. Trust me, there's people with PhDs don't understand it. You got to have a degree in finance to kind of understand it. Now, that took a lot out of me. Please don't ask me to do that anymore, but that's the basic parts that I know. I missed a lot, but that's just the basic analysis of it. Now, that stock, I want to tell you, the stock that's going up Monday or Tuesday, February 17th or 18th. First of all, let me make sure I didn't miss nothing about the bank stuff. Yes, the the professionals recognize this before anyone. That gives them the advantage, of course. And the central bank, when they print the money, I've got to tell you, when they flood the market with money, it's called quantitative. I think it's quantitative easing. That's how they flood the market with money, and that's the terminology the stock markets use. Quantitative easing. Okay, and I didn't miss anything else. And that's pretty much it. So when they flood the market with money, that's the word they use in the stock market, quantitative easing. Okay, let's get to that stock pick. The stock that's going up on the 17th or 18th. Now, I don't use fundamental analysis to figure out my stocks. I got my own little way I figure out stuff. I'm 19 out of 18 correct. I'm sorry, 18 out of 19 correct. Let's go 19 of 20. And please subscribe to my videos because I'm doing the best I can to help you. And please leave comments if you make money off of my pick. If you make money off of my pick that I give you right now, because people are leaving, messages and things like that, and they want me to help them invest and things like that. I'm investing for a lot of people, but I'm not going to talk your ear off. But leave comments, okay? If you make money or lose money, still leave comments because I'm human. I might make a mistake. I might get one wrong. Matter of fact, I did get one wrong. It was close to being 19 out of 19, but that's a different story. But I'm really hot right now. I'm talking to the rich people. I'm talking to the president of the United States. I'm talking to everybody that could possibly listen to YouTube or watch YouTube. If you see my video, let me buy stock for you or make your stock picks for you. You can email me at byron4053@hotmail.com or just subscribe to my video so my video can get to you on time so you can make money off of my stock picks. I'm just trying to help out. I'm 60 years old. I have a horrible story when I was younger where I lost so much money. And just don't listen to all these videos about people telling you this stuff. They're not proving anything. They saying that so many people made money off of them, but they can't prove nothing. People get on there and say, I made money off this person. I made money off this person. I made money off this person. But they ain't got no proof. They could be family members. They could be actors. They could be friends, anything. Don't believe the side noise that you hear. That's why I give you these stock picks to prove myself. So when that 17th or 18th come up, you would know that I gave that pick and he was right. I made money off of his pick. Okay, the ticker symbol is WELL. It's Will Tower Communication. Okay, they pretty much invest in senior living homes. I investigated it. I studied for 48 hours before I even decided to make this pick. Morgan Stanley, that's a big corporation. They said this is overweight. Overweight means an excellent stock. Okay, Tip Ranks said it's a strong buy. It's a great stock to buy. Now, it might be a little high for everyone. You just can't get that many shares, but you can make money off of it. Okay, Smart Census says hold the stock. That's not bad. Hold is not bad. Sell is bad. Okay, it closed at $149.97. $149.97. Like I said, it's a little bit high, but I know this stock is going to go up the 17th or 18th. The volume is 1,878,568. So it's producing a lot of volume. Okay. The company, like I said, they invest in senior living homes, and it should go up the 17th or the 18th. But thank you for watching my video. Thank you for the subscriptions. Thank you for the support. I appreciate it. And I hope I explained fundamental analysis. I'm going to make another video about that because it's a lot of reading and a lot of studying to remember exactly how that works. I'm going to make a video about technical analysis. That could be very difficult to explain too. I usually have a board here to give you a diagram, but I don't have that right now. But as a beginning stock, don't worry about that fundamental analysis. That's something you don't want to look at right now. That's for professional traders and people who've been in the stock market for a while. So I do it a different way, but my style is effective. I'm a short-term investor, and it's working for me. Like I said, I'm 18 out of 19, and I hope I go 19 out of 20 Monday or Tuesday. So just thank you for watching my videos, and I'm doing the best I can for you to make money for you and your family. Bye-bye.